Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you want to help support me, please leave a like on the videos, follow, subscribe, whether you're on Twitch or YouTube. Definitely check out my Twitch, which should be right about here if Editor Me did his job correctly. You never know. If you do enjoy the videos, please consider subscribing, and actually head over to my TikTok as well. Just, show some support. I'd really appreciate it. Apparently it's a lot harder to get started into stuff than I realized, so just asking for some support here. Thank you so much, and again, you have a great rest of your day. So the objective is to violate the Geneva Convention. And I feel like the best way to do that is in a church, with all of the conservative people claiming that the Geneva Convention is a violation of rights. Although honestly, this is a good way to start, but I honestly feel like, if it's really going to be a conservative thing, we gotta red, white, and blue the place up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? There's got to be a little bit of the red, white, and blue. I mean, we only are kings of explosions, you know what I mean? Tubes, let's go with Mr. Beast. I think he's an American, so that kind of makes sense. The main objective here is to crash my computer. No! I tricked you all. I told you it was going to be to violate the Geneva Convention. Ha, that only applies in times of war. This is not war, this is just terrorizing a rural Ohio town.
You are not prepared!
God, this is gonna take so fucking long to fill up. I'm just now realizing. And of course, we gotta get some world stoppers, because let's be fair, if there's one thing the US is known for, it's making weapons of mass destruction. Oh, wait a minute. So you can put this highlight. Oh my god, you can't! This means, chat. Do you know what this means? It means that theoretically I can stand here, and then you see how it just disappears just barely, and I can just do this. Oh, that is absolutely lovely. Alright, I think that's it, just because I don't think that my computer can realistically take even this much without crashing. Oh boy. It's already so bright. Oh no. Have I... Oh Jesus! Oh, that's glorious. I love it. Oh, the game crashed. That's great. Broke the fucking game. So something that's actually... I've never seen one of these go off just normally, so I kind of want to see that real quick. Actually. That's not bad. World stoppers are definitely cool. Strobulicious, hold on. My objective is to give everyone in chat a seizure. No! So Q, fuse connection. I want to make sure all of them are connected to at least one other one, Because even if they don't go off all at the same time, the point isn't necessarily to cause a huge, insanely bright light, because that wouldn't mean that there's very much flashy, and that just means that there's not going to be very much strokes being had by the people in the chat. Which is honestly, I just feel like kind of selfish, Equal opportunity for seizures and strokes is what I say. That's the kind of thing that I wanted to see, to be honest. Just for the record, disclaimer, this is going to have a lot of bright lights. This one in particular. on different drugs. Did you guys ever see that? Because I sure did. Actually, let me get a bit further away so I can actually see it. That's actually kind of beautiful, not even gonna lie. Right? Yeah, that's a lot closer than it was last. Like, having to wait that entire time, sheesh, that seems like a bunch of bullshit. Oh, it's starting. Yo, part of it's the sound. Look at that. That's just simply pretty. That's pretty. That's really pretty, honestly. That's actually pretty good. Adorable. That's full on adorable. Oh, it's not actually these. These doom booms, right? How doomy are they exactly, you know? With a name like Doom Boom, you'd figure that they're going to be pretty big, but I mean, really, I don't know if that's really going to be true. And let's hit one. Let's hit one off. Jesus Christ. I feel like that's more powerful than a propane can, to be honest. Damn, alright. Cool. So it's a little on fire. I feel like there's still more that we should be doing. Namely with this place, I'm gonna play some middle to... Whatever. And run away. The fact that, oh my, the fact that you can see the outside and how obnoxious it gets is what makes the game amazing, I think. I didn't like that sound in my ears. You know what? I feel like that's as good as a reason as any to leave. We have officially burnt down the farmhouse. beyond that, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you liked it, be sure to check out the channel, you know, subscribe and all that stuff. I'm going to try and put out more content. Also, I stream regularly over on Twitch, so definitely like check that out over in the description. And beyond that, you have a great rest of your day, unlike that poor farmer's family.